Good evening, Ma'am Connie from Baguio. And today we are going to talk to you about your experience with this wonderful iWave socks that you just received not too long ago. Can you please tell us about your condition and when you use the socks, what happened? Please share with us.
Okay. At first, I was hesitant. But na walang mawawala if we try.
Yes.
So when I receive it without washing because I was eager to use it because of my sciatica on my hip, left hip.
Mm-hmm.
It's been so long time ago. I've been really suffering from that sciatica, but due to the different modalities I've been using, the pain is being lessened. But the deep pain is there on my left hip. So when I got my socks, okay, let's try. I was not telling anyone. I just
I know.
I
In
just
fact,
wore it.
Remy asked you in the group chat, and you said, wait for my result."
Yes, he was so eager to know the result. I don't want to lie. I just
I
want to
know,
experiment
I know.
further.
Yes.
After 3 days, oh, I noticed something. It feels like wow, letter pain. I was punching my hip to really test it. Oh, there's so much pain. But I further use it for another night, another day without washing. I just continue wearing it, and then I smell. Oh, walang amoy. Because maybe it's bacteria, antibacteria. There's something wrong. There's something there. Now, it's
Negative
not
ion. Negative ion. No
yeah,
odorless.
yeah. And I even asked a partner, Alice, it's not smelly because it's antibacterial. We were laughing. Anyway, I don't have the really fit smell, but I just because I've been wearing it for 3 to 4 days, and I
Yeah.
continue. Then
And
and the
may I say, because you feel so good and you feel the difference, that's why you didn't have time to wash it. You didn't want to wash it. You just want to continue using.
yes, and it's raining, so it's cold. So it's comfort. It's comfy
Okay.
wearing it without the. If I gonna wash it, it might not dry immediately because I'm reserving the two pairs for my two sisters. One
Okay.
is arriving from US. I am reserving that because she's diabetic, and the other one I will have to send to La Union first. My teacher for 38 years, and she's retired also. And I'm saving that two pairs. So
Wow.
I just want to use mine. And how long, how
So
durable it.
after what, 4 days, 5 days, and your sciatica, which has been nagging you for longest time, is already okay? Your sciatica?
Yeah, I think I wrote that in my post. It's either 4 days or 4 days
Wow,
for 5 days of 4 nights, 3 days. I can't remember,
that's a
but
miracle.
less than a week.
Amazing.
And my sciatica pain was lessened to 40 to 50%, I think, or more. So, while how much more if I gonna use it continuously
Yes.
until
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 di wala na.
yeah. But yeah, I think maraming makaka-relate sa akin if they gonna
Mhm.
see my post
Yeah.
because I really been suffering for so long. In fact, when I came here to Baguio 2004, I was literally dragging my left leg.
Wow.
Yeah. From our terminal, jeepney terminal, going to RCBC upper station where my bank was, RCBC.
Wow.
It took me around 38 to 40 minutes dragging my left foot.
So
But
more than,
syempre,
more than 20 years already. More than 20 years na. 2004, did you say?
the pain was not really, it's not going anywhere away, despite all other modalities, food supplements, everything.
Mhm.
That's why I've been hooked to networking, because looking for remedy.
The right
But
product.
I,
Mhm.
yeah, right. But I think this sucks. I don't know. I don't know. It might eliminate totally, because
Thank you.
even my lower, I noticed even my lower back pain on my waist, you know, because I'm so fond of gardening, and I bend, and then so my back, my lower back is really, at my age,
Yes.
I think it's also gone. I don't know. I can ano, because I really didn't use any other modalities yet,
Yeah.
just to make sure that this sucks is has something to do. To see is to believe nga eh, Doc.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I guess so. We can come to that conclusion. And you were talking about your age because you don't look that old. How old are you, or how young are you?
71. I just turned 71 when I received my socks last
Wow.
June 21.
On your birthday,
Yeah.
that's a good birthday present for you.
That's really that's why I agreed finally to redeem.
Yeah.
That will be my gift to myself. If it makes a miracle,
Yes.
wow, I can make dal.
Yeah, you can talk about it. I know. So thank
Yeah.
you so much, Mom Connie, and
Okay.
continue to have good health. And hope to see you soon in Baguio. I plan to drive there. Okay.
Yeah, but not today. It's
No, no,
rainy season.
not
Okay.
yet, but soon, soon. Maybe
Yeah.
next month. All right. Thank you so much, Mom Connie.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you, By Direct, AccuLife.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.